In this video, I'm going to show you how to divide. You know, last time it was any number times times any other number. So let's say minus 2 and minus 10. Here you would just get 2. You would ignore the signs. So you would just get 2 times 10, which is 20, and then you would look at the signs. So because there's two negatives, then it would be a positive. Well, division's the same thing here. So we can have one number, any number, divided by another number. Here I'm going to put, I'm going to say minus 20, and then divided by 2. So it's the same as multiplication. You just ignore, you just do it as normal. So 20 divided by 2, which is 10, and now you look at the sign. Here is a negative. So remember, is a negative. So there's only one negative. So the answer would be negative. Okay. So if I were to change this and say what is positive 20 divided by negative 2, well, you would do it as normal. You would get 20 divided by 2, which is 10, and then you would look at the sign. Now there's only one negative, so the answer would be a negative. Okay, suppose it's minus 20 divided by minus 2. Well, just do it as normal. 20 divided by 2, which is 10, and now look at the signs. Two negatives here. So the answer would be a positive. Okay, remember, if there's only one negative, then the answer would be a negative. If there's a negative and a positive, there's only one negative, so it would be negative. If it's a negative and a negative, then that would be a positive. Okay. If it's positive and positive, then it's normal. It's just like me saying 20 divided by 2. This is a positive. So the answer, well, it's going to be 10. So it's just like 20 divided by 2. Well, when it's two positives. Okay. So remember. So let me do one more example. Any number divided by any number. So let's say this is let's say 27. 27 divided by negative 3. Okay, so it's 27 divided by negative 3. What is that? Well, sometimes it's written like this. 27. We could write a divide like this, or we could write it like this. Okay. So there are two ways of writing divide. You could do it like this: 27 divided by minus 3. Or we could write it like this. Sometimes you can put the brackets in there, but we don't have to, because it's not confusing. Here it's quite confusing because you've got a divide and a negative next to each other, so it's quite confusing. So here, well, this is a divide. Okay, this line here is a divide. So basically, what is 27 divided by minus 3? So it would be, well, just do 27 divided by 3 as normal, which is 9. And because there's only one negative, then the answer would be negative. Okay, the next video we're going to do some more, we're going to practice. Okay.